Hi, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer green beans with bacon. This is a quick and easy recipe that's good as a side dish or as a meal. For the ingredients, you'll need green beans, bacon, onion, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and lemon. Start by cutting the green beans in half, chopping up the onion, and cutting the bacon into strips. Next, add the green beans to a bowl and add the olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and then toss the green beans until they're well coated. Next, you want to add the green beans to the air fryer basket and then top the green beans with onion and then bacon, and then add that to the air fryer and cook at 370 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Be sure to check on the green beans about halfway through. Once the green beans are done, go ahead and remove them from the air fryer and then add them to a serving plate and then top with fresh lemon juice. And there you go, air fried green beans with bacon. Thanks for watching.